So you might be trying to figure out how you can turn your iPhone messages from blue to green, or green to blue. Basically, that's what you're trying to do. Now, doing this is actually fairly basic, and it really doesn't take too much time at all. So the very first thing you're going to want to do here is you want to basically go ahead and make your way over to your settings application. So when you come into settings, you'll come into this particular page. Now, what you're going to want to do here is you basically want to scroll down until you see a little option that says messages, maybe iMessage, but it's usually messages right here. It's right in between phone and FaceTime. So what you're going to do here is you want to tap here, and this next page is going to come up. Now right here where it says iMessage, this is basically the area where you want to go ahead and basically just confirm whether you want to change your iMessage from green to blue. Now the person, if you're texting, if they have an iPhone and they have iMessage enabled, when they have iMessage enabled and you can see this iMessage option here enabled on your side, then that basically means that they're on iPhone and they now should switch over to probably blue messages. But the big thing to keep in mind here is that sometimes that may not work. And the reason why that works, so make sure iMessage here is enabled. If for some reason that is not working, you have to understand that if you're sending like a bunch of green messages like this, that might mean that that person you're sending actually has an Android or they don't have iMessage enabled. So if that's the case, either they don't have iMessage enabled, they are disabled on iMessage temporarily, or they have an Android device of some sort, and there's not really too much you can do. If you have this iMessage tab enabled on your phone and they're still sending blue messages or you're sending green messages or whatever the case is, there's practically nothing you can do at this point. All you're going to have to do here is just wait it out until they enable iMessage, they get signal back, or other things like that. Now, there's also a chance where none of these things work for you. You can always try updating your iPhone and seeing if that ends up fixing it. So make your way back into your settings application right here. Go into general settings right here. Click on software update. And all you're going to want to do is go and update your phone. And that could very well end up fixing the problem for you as well. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that means so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.